back to my channel. I'm over here looking a hot mess like I'm a cast member off of Boys in the Hood. I already know, but it's all good because I'm about to show y'all what I'm working with. So I got this hair from the hair store, not from Amazon, the hair store, okay? And I'm about to do these crochet butterfly locks, okay? Yes, my hair is short. Y'all see it, but it is in rubber bands. So I put rubber bands in it, section it off, and now I'm about to get it popping. All right, so as you can see, I already started. And this is not the length that I'm going for, so I'm definitely about to start over because no, ma'am, Miss Pam. We ain't about to do that. Yeah, that one in the back was just a little tryout just to make sure I knew what I was doing. So anyway, you take one piece of hair. It'd probably be better not to go with a 22-inch. It just really depends on how long you want your butterfly lock. And then you take another strand of hair. And then what you're going to do really is open it. But yeah, we'll see. First, I got to oil my scalp with her Grow and Strength oil. The best oil out there, made by, of course, me, Her Natural. Available on hernatural.com. Use code WELCOME15. Get 15% off your order. But this oil is the truth. My hair was itching, y'all. And as soon as I applied this oil, the itch was gone. Just a little dab, dab, and dab, dab. It feels so good with this oil on my scalp. All right, that's enough. Massage it in. I'm trying to be real light about it because these rubber bands kind of hurting my scalp. I really don't like a rubber band method, but I had to try this hairstyle. It was a must. Oh, that little lock on the back. So I'm using Her Natural's Pop and Curl Gel just to get my ends not to be so fluffy. Try to get those ends or, the little tail of the ponytail, whatever it is. Try to get as straight as I can so it would be easier to wrap around the hair. So you take your hair and you spread it out just like that. You want to make sure that the ends aren't together. All right, so what you need is a rat's tail comb because you want to make sure your part is on point. And, if you want a triangle, square, however you want your parts. And then, of course, you need the crochet hook and also some gel, whatever your choice is. But, of course, mine is Pop and Curl. All right, so you just go and twist a little bit at the top just so it can fit into the hook. You always want to make sure the hook part is down. Like, if that ain't down, baby, it's going to hurt, okay? And then you're just going to slide it in the hair, between your hair and the rubber band. Put that hair right in the hook, close the hook, and pull it through. And then when you pull it through, you just want to make sure you pull one side, all right? So you can hold on to one side and make sure it's not going to come out. But you just want to do it as one side, all right? Like a little floss, like you flossing your hair. Then you want to make sure you're going to wrap the longer piece around the shorter piece. So you want to make sure that it's a little more shorter. Like I said, really, y'all do y'all length how y'all want it, okay? Period. I'm just doing how I'm doing mine. But you want to make sure that when you wrap your hair that you are holding on to the little hair that is yours to make sure it's held down. Make sure that you're going to wrap the hair inside of the hair that you're wrapping around so that it will not stick out because, baby, once it sticks out, it does not look good at all, okay? So you just want to make sure you wrap it tight around the root of the lock first. And as y'all can see, I look like I'm struggling, but I'm just making sure it is on there, making sure my hair is locked down. What I like to do is use my thumb and my index so that I make sure that my hair is laid down and that it ain't going nowhere. And then when you are wrapping the hair around, you want to make sure that the hair is smooth, it's laying down. You don't want it to be lumpy or nothing like that, because baby, it is not going to look right. All right, so just keep on wrapping, go all the way down. Like I said, you go to the length that you want it to go to. All right, and then once you get to your desired length, what you're going to do is you're going to wrap the part that you were wrapping around your hair. You're going to wrap it and go up. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just going back up to the top. And baby, if my face ain't focused, it is focused, okay? That's that serious focus, all right? And I'm sleepy. It's like about 1 o'clock, okay? But I had to get this done because I just had to get it done. And then once you get close to the end of the hair, you want to make sure you just put a little knot in there and then just wrap the rest of the little ends around your hair. And then that last little piece, you just want to make sure you wrap that up to the top as well. Same thing, wrap it up to the top, tie a knot, and then make sure you wrap the little ends just around your hair. And that's that. Once you have rolled all the hair around, you just want to make sure you roll it in your hands like this, and just to give it that curly. Okay. It tried, but it's gonna do it. But that one got to go. No, I do not like it that long, but that length is perfect. All right, we're gonna speed it up. All right, y'all, it's coming together. As y'all can see, I just got a few more left, but I'm loving it so far, y'all. Loving it. Yes, swing it. All right, so I'm going to show y'all again, just a little slower for the ones in the back who ain't get it, on how easy this is. Like, why go and pay somebody when y'all can do this yourself? Because it is just too easy. All right, so y'all see me opening it up. Open. All right, then you just make sure you put both of your hair together. Twist it just to make sure it's going to fit in the crochet hook. And then you take one little square, put your gel, whatever you want to use, on your hair. Just to make sure it is laying down. All right, so you got your crochet hook. Make sure it is closed, because if it ain't closed, ooh, ouch, pain. All right, close it. All right, close it and slip it on through. Yep, just like that. Ooh, when that hair gets in that hook, ooh, it hurts. All right, then just make sure you wrap it a little bit and put it into the hook. And then once you put it into the hook, you're going to slide it on through. Slip and slide. Close it. And then slide it. Come on, close it just like that. Oh, there we go. Slide it on through. There we go. Just remember, take only one of the side of the hair, slip it through, not both of them. And y'all know what, now that I come to think of it, I might be having to do me some twists with this hair. But anyway, make sure one side is shorter than the other side. So the part that's going to be wrapping around, that part is going to be longer than the part that will be your length. Make sure your hair is laying down on top. And make sure you are wrapping your hair at the very top a few times to make sure it is signed and sealed, okay? Now to make sure it's like locked down for sure. So just make sure you wrap it around. Make sure it is going over the hair so that the hair, your hair, that is your hair, does not show. Y'all see that? Y'all see how I'm wrapping that around? Get down and dirty with it. Now, y'all remember, when you get to the desired length that you want, make sure you wrap it going up, okay? Wrap it going all the way up, and then you're going to tie a knot in it, and make sure you have those ends wrapped around the rest of the hair. And then the last little bit of hair left, make sure you do the same thing. Make sure the ends is unraveled and wrap it on up to the top. Alright, and then once it is all the way wrapped to the top, just roll it in your hands. Bam. Ew. Okay. Let me go ahead and get the rest of it together so y'all can see it come to life, baby. I'm finally done. After I roll that up, ooh, bam, bam. Y'all, I'm loving it. I wish, it was like a little more fuller, like where I had my sides, but I love how I got my sides cut because it's like, a mohawk lock, butterfly lock look or whatnot. I'm just taking my pop and curl gel, of course, from Her Natural. Go to hernatural.com, use welcome code 15. Go ahead and get that pop and curl gel and lay that hair, baby. So I'm just laying my hair. I really need to get my hair cut again because I look like I got a little bald spot, but it's not. It's from my little design that I had that is trying to grow back in. Just brushing up the sides, slicking down, designing the little baby hairs or whatnot. And then you just want to make sure that you get any type of little flyaways, any type of little hairs that's not rolled up. Just make sure you cut them out, just so it can look a little better. Yeah, I'm feeling it, y'all. I'm feeling myself, feeling my. Ooh, I gotta get that together. So y'all gonna see me put some pop and curl gel on the rough patch. It's looking like a rough patch. Okay, and then this is pop and curl gel on dry hair. My hair is not wet, guys, so y'all gonna see it come all the way to life. How the pop and curl gel works on dry hair, because I love the pop and curl gel on wet hair, but on dry hair it's like, okay, all right. So I'm just slicking and I'm brushing it, slicking and I'm brushing it. And that is it. Oh, baby. Y'all can't tell me nothing. When I say I'm about to do this hairstyle all the time, when I say it's that easy, y'all better not go out and pay nobody. Y'all better do it yourself. Just looking at a last little piece of baby hairs I could find. I had to hunt for those right there. Put a little more pop and curl gel in it, and bam, bam. I don't even know why I'm doing all this. I'm just really doing it for the video because it's like I said, it is late. And I'm about to go to bed. But no, this really didn't take too long. I would say it just depends on how fast you work. But this is not a hairstyle that's going to take forever. Probably because, first off, I got like a mohawk type of hairstyle. So I really didn't have that much hair to do. Because I only bought 4 packs. And I used all 4 packs. So. But, I'm feeling myself. All right, y'all, that's it. I'll see y'all later. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification, and I will see y'all later. Bye, guys. And y'all be blessed. Oh, somebody say something? Okay, bye.